and you can do the search. Next is a John Doe order. Actually, this order authorizes the searches and seizure against the unidentified defendant, allowing the plaintiff to take the action against parties involved in the infringement. Mainly this kind of a situation is like a, in copyright it is mainly used many times, that John Doe order, but here also you can just say that anonymous, the party is anonymous, but that order is in your hand, so that you can anytime do the search and seizure activity against any infringement. So, that is again important. So, you need not to initiate that a particular in hand you have one. So, if any information you received about the infringement, you need not, you have that order in your hand, it is anonymous. So, it is against anybody. So, you can directly start the search and you can do the seizure activity. Obviously, the police you are taking help, and sub inspector level above, that is the authority who can be of help in such kind of a situations. Okay.